In this video, I explain what is the thermodynamic equilibriums, and there is a various three type of thermodynamic equilibrium, that is a thermal equilibriums, mechanical equilibriums and chemical equilibriums. So first I explain what is the thermodynamic equilibrium, then we focus on these three types of the thermodynamic equilibriums. So first, what is the meaning of equilibrium words? Okay, so what is the meaning of thermodynamic? That you already know. Thermodynamic is the two words, thermo plus dynamic. Okay, now what is the meaning of equilibrium? Equilibrium means, the word equilibrium means the state of balance. Okay, so meaning of equilibrium is state of balance. In an equilibrium state, there are no unbalanced potential within the system. Okay, means everything are in a balanced condition. So no unbalanced potential within the system. It is called as the equilibrium. A system that is in equilibrium expressions no change when it is isolated from its surroundings. Okay, means when the system is in equilibrium, okay, and it is isolated from the surrounding, is separate from the surrounding, at that time there is a no change in the system is occur. The system is said to exist in a state of equilibrium when no change in any macroscopic properties. Okay, means when there is a no change in a system in a macroscopic level, means macro means on a very small level there is a no change, then the system is said to be in a thermodynamic equilibrium. Now here the exact definitions of the thermodynamic equilibrium. The system is said to be in a state of thermodynamic equilibrium if the value of property is the same at all the point in the system. Means we take the any system, and inside this system at the every point the property are same. It is called as the thermodynamic equilibriums. The system will be in a state of equilibrium if the condition for the following three type of equilibrium are satisfied. Okay, so system is said in thermodynamic equilibrium if the three types of equilibriums are satisfied. Now we focus on the what is the three types of the thermodynamic equilibrium. Before that, I request to like the video and subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to thermodynamic subject as well as for the another subject of the mechanical engineering. Now first we understand what is the thermal equilibriums. Thermal means it is related to the heat, and heat is measured by using the temperature. Okay, so if the temperature inside the system is equal, then it is called as the thermodynamic equilibrium. If the temperature of the system does not change with time, means temperature not change with the time, means temperature are same and same value at all the point of the system is said to be in a thermodynamic equilibrium. Now here you see this is the two box. Okay, so we consider this is our system. So in a first system, that is a 20-degree temperature, here 23, 30, 35, 40 and 42. So this system are not same in thermodynamic equilibrium because in the system at the different point there have a different temperature. So this first figure, it is not in thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay, after some times this system is reach onto the thermal equilibrium, means after the thermodynamic equilibrium, here you see temperature at the every point inside the system is the 32 degrees centigrade, means these systems are in a thermal equilibrium. Okay, similarly second, that is a mechanical equilibrium. Mechanical equilibrium is related with the pressure. Okay, in this case what we understand, temperature is different. Okay, so if the system are not in mechanical equilibrium, then the pressure inside the system is different at all the points. Okay, the system are in mechanical equilibriums, then what? The pressure inside the system is same. It is called as the mechanical equilibrium. The system is in mechanical equilibrium if there are no unbalanced forces within the systems or between the surrounding. Now forces means forces is directly depend on the pressure into area, force is equal to. Okay, so if the pressure is constant, then force is also constant. Okay, and the force is constant, that means the mechanical equilibrium is there. The pressure in the system is same at all the point and does not change with respect to the time. Now here you see this is the first system, that is no mechanical equilibrium. Okay, so here you see if the pressure is different, that is 2 bar, 1 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, 6 bar. Okay, so at every point there is a different pressure, means there is a no same pressure. No same pressure, then the system is not in mechanical equilibrium. Okay, now here you see the second system that are in mechanical equilibrium. Why it is in mechanical equilibrium? Because the pressure at the every point inside the system are same, that is 3 bar, 3 bar, 3 bar. So same pressure at the all the point and the time. It is called in the mechanical equilibrium. Third thermodynamic equilibrium is chemical equilibriums. A system is in chemical equilibrium if its chemical composition does not change with the time. So according to name, chemical equilibrium means they are required the same chemical composition throughout the system and with respect to the time, and no chemical reaction takes place in the system. It is called as the chemical equilibriums. Now here you see this is a system 1. So one point that a carbon is present, some point the O2 is present. Okay, so at the different point that is a different chemical is there. Somewhere C is there, somewhere O2 is there, means carbon is there and the oxygen is there. Okay, that is called as the no chemical equilibriums. But the some system is in chemical equilibrium, so no chemical reaction is there and the same composition at all the point in time. So here you see there is a different point and at the all the point chemical composition is same, that is the CO2, but that means the carbon dioxide is there in the every point inside the system. That is called as the chemical equilibrium. Okay, so every system it is not that the chemical is the carbon dioxide, but there is a different refrigerant is there. Okay, suppose we talking about the VCRS system. So in a VCRS system there is a refrigerant is there, that is R134. So its chemical composition is same in a refrigeration, in compressor, means in condenser, in evaporator and that. Okay, so this system is called as the in a chemical equilibriums. Now suppose the one system is satisfied the lower equilibrium, thermal equilibriums, and second one is in mechanical equilibrium, but system are not in chemical equilibrium, then what happen? It is called thermodynamic equilibriums or not? So we say that system are not in thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay, system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium if the system is in equilibrium in this all the three cases. The system is required in thermal equilibrium, system is required to mechanical equilibriums, and systems are in required to the chemical equilibrium. Okay, and any one are not there. Okay, now system is in the chemical equilibrium and thermal equilibrium, but system is not in mechanical equilibrium. So system not follow the thermodynamic equilibrium, means system are not in the thermodynamic equilibriums. So here we written when the above condition for any one of the three types of equilibrium are not satisfied, means out of three any ones are not satisfied, a system is said to be a non-equilibrium state. And if system is satisfied all these three equilibrium, then the system are said to be in a thermodynamic equilibriums. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned and like the video, subscribe the channels and don't forget to share with your friend.